If someone told you to install FFmpeg and you have no idea where to even start, don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install FFmpeg in your Windows 11 computer. Before we install anything, let's first check whether FFmpeg is already on this computer. Go ahead and search for CMD in the Start menu, then right-click and run it as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, simply type FFmpeg and hit enter. If you see a message saying FFmpeg is not recognized as an internal or external command, that confirms FFmpeg is not installed yet. So let's fix that. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar, type FFmpeg, then press enter. Click on the first result from ffmpeg.org. That will take you directly to the official website. Once you're on the site, click on the download button. On the download page, you'll notice options for different operating systems. Since we are on Windows, make sure you select the Windows option. From there, click on Windows Builds from gianni.dev. Scroll down just a little bit until you reach the Builds section, then click on the second option right there. The download will begin automatically. Just wait for it to finish. Once download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the compressed file. And then go ahead and extract zip file. After extraction, move that folder to a safe location. Personally, I'll place mine in the Documents folder, but you can choose wherever works best for you. Rename the folder to anything simple and memorable. Something short like FFmpeg works perfectly. Now go inside the folder and look for the bin folder. Open that. To grab the path, click on the address bar at the top. You'll see the full directory path appear. So go ahead and copy that. Now go to the search bar and type System Environment. Then click on Edit the System Environment Variables. This will open the System Properties window. From here, click on Environment Variables. From the list, find and click on Path, then click Edit. Then, click New to add a new entry. Paste the path you copied earlier and press Enter. Then click OK to apply all the changes. At this point, go ahead and open CMD again as administrator. Then type FFmpeg and press Enter. This time, you'll see the FFmpeg information display right there in the terminal. That means FFmpeg has been successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. So, that is how you can install FFmpeg on Windows 11.